How to use Hachette Learning magazines. Hachette Learning magazines, formerly Hodder Education magazines and Philip Allen archives, gives access to magazines with topical content and articles linked to exam specifications for A-levels and GCSEs. Hachette Learning magazines can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the H tab. Please note you need to register and create your own password for this resource. Click on the Sign In button and enter your college email address and your Hachette Learning magazine password. Type your search term in the search box and click on the magnifying glass. You can sort the results by relevance or publication date. You can filter the results by topic or by magazine title. You can click on a title to read the article. You can print or save the article using the browser tools. You can browse the content by clicking on one of the titles on the home page, or click on the button to see all the titles. Click on a title to see the most recent issue, and you can browse all the issues. You can access help from the link at the top of the screen.